Hi and welcome to my presentation on my integrated productivity website. My name is Evan and I'm 17 years old. Today I'll walk you through a project that blends modern web technology with AI-assisted development using Cursor AI. My platform unifies scheduling, note-taking, and information retrieval, setting a new standard in integrated productivity solutions. In this presentation, I will start with an in-depth introduction to my project and outline the key objectives. Then I will delve into the technical architecture and framework that underpin my solution. I will also examine the core components of my code, beginning with an analytical overview of the homepage and navigation system. Continuing on, I will explore the planner module, followed by a detailed analysis of the notebook and repository components. Next, I will explain the pivotal role of Cursor AI in my development process, review the changes I encountered along with my innovative solutions, and discuss the tangible benefits my platform delivers. I will conclude with a reflective summary and future directions. In this first technical segment, I will provide an analytical overview of my code base. My website is constructed using the Hono framework, which facilitates a modular and lightweight approach to web development. I employ multiple HTTP endpoints that dynamically serve HTML content and which is embedded CSS and JavaScript. This architecture not only promotes screen separation concerns, but also ensures that each module, whether it's a planner, notebook, or repository, remains independently testable and maintainable. The primary objective of this project is to consolidate three critical productivity tools: calendar scheduling, note-taking, and information management into a single seamless platform. By doing so, I aim to simplify the lives of students, professionals, researchers, and everyday users who struggle with fragmented productivity application. This project embodies the principles of usability, scalability, and aesthetic coherence. My technical architecture is rooted in the Hono framework, chosen for its efficiency and minimal overhead. The application is structured around multiple HTTP GET endpoints, each responsible for serving dynamic HTML. The use of embedded CSS ensures that my design remains consistent across all modules, while JavaScript is employed to introduce innovative features such as real-time date and time updates. For example, a set interval function continuously updates the homepage, ensuring that the display time remains accurate. This modular design supports independent scaling of components and simplifies maintenance, as changes in one module do not impact the others. Now let us embark on a comprehensive walkthrough of the website. In this segment, I will highlight the key features and functionalities that define my platform's user experience. I will examine how each module contributes to the overall workflow and how their integration creates a unified, efficient productivity tool. At the core of my website is the homepage, which serves as the user's gateway to all functionalities. The homepage features a fixed navigation bar that remains visible regardless of scrolling, ensuring that users can seamlessly transition between the homebook, planner, notebook, and repository modules. The dynamic nature of the page is achieved through JavaScript functions that update the date and time every second, adding a sense of real-time interactivity. Additionally, the embedded CSS meticulously defines the resource hierarchy and responsive design, ensuring that the interface adapts gracefully across various devices and screen sizes. The planner module is one of the most sophisticated components on my website. It offers multiple views, weekly and monthly, that allows users to manage their schedules with remarkable precision. The monthly view provides a bird-eye overview of various events and holidays. While the weekly view offers more granular scheduling details. Behind these views lie a dynamic calendar engine that uses advanced JavaScript to pass dates, calculates the first and last days of each month, and integrate public as well as school holidays into the calendar grid. Navigation buttons enable users to effortlessly move between months with the underlying code ensuring that state is updated asynchronously and accurately. Various events can also be added to enable the user to schedule their events according to your time and also to view the overdue status of their events. The event can also be cancelled and added at the user's discretion. The events will also be arranged chronologically and can be cancelled. The notebook module is designed with a dual panel interface. One panel displays a list of pre-existing notes, while the other offers a rich text editor for composing new entries. This design choice facilitates both quick note retrieval and in-depth content creation. Interactive elements such as contextual delete buttons that appear on hover enhance usability and reflect careful attention to user-centered design. Every note, there will also appear a timestamp that enables the user to recognize the time and date at which the notes are uploaded. Complementing the notebook, the repository module serves as a centralized hub for bookmarking and retrieving critical information. It is engineered to integrate seamlessly with the planner and notebook modules and ensuring that data flows effortlessly across the platform. Various news articles can be added at the user's discretion according to various information that can be found online. This integration is achieved through a combination of modular code, consistent styling, and set state management protocols. As I transition to the reflective portion of my presentation, I invite you to consider the broader implications of my integrated approach. In this segment, I will discuss the unique features of my project, the insights gained from its development, and the transformative impact of my design choices. Cursor AI was instrumental in shaping this project from conception to execution. Its capabilities in code generation and optimization dramatically accelerated the development process. The AI provided algorithmic insights that refined my code structure, ensuring adherence to modern best practices such as modularity, DIY principles, and cross-browser compatibility. Moreover, Cursor's AI iterative feedback mechanism enabled me to implement efficient state management solutions and streamline debugging, resulting in a robust, maintainable code base. This fusion of human expertise with AI-driven recommendations exemplifies the future of software development. Every innovative project encounters hurdles and mine was no exception. I faced significant challenges in ensuring responsiveness and executing complex calendar competitions, all while maintaining an intuitive user interface. Through iterative testing, rigorous quality assurance, and creative problem solving, I successfully navigated these challenges. What truly sets my project apart is its holistic integration. Rather than presenting isolated tools, I have created a cohesive system that delivers a unified user experience. This unique approach requires not only technical ingenuity but also a deep commitment to user-centered design. The benefits of my website extend far beyond its technical sophistication. By unifying scheduling, note-taking, and data management into a single platform, I have significantly enhanced user efficiency and organization. For instance, users can instantly reference notes, power planning events, or seamlessly access bookmark information from within their calendar. The platform's intuitive design and robust backend ensures reliability and performance, making it an invaluable tool for a wide range of users, from academic researchers to busy professionals. Ultimately, this project redefines productivity by integrating multiple functions into one streamlined system. Reflecting on the development journey, I am proud of the innovative solutions that I have implemented and the technical challenges I overcame. Integrating human expertise with AI-driven insights has not only enhanced my technical capabilities, but also expanded my understanding of modular design and user-centered development. This project has been an enlightening experience, teaching me the value of adaptability, rigorous testing, and continuous improvement in software engineering. In conclusion, my integrated productivity website stands as a testament to the powerful synergy of innovative design, robust coding practices, and advanced AI assistance. By leveraging Cursor AI, I have set a new benchmark in integrated productivity solutions. Looking forward, there are myriad opportunities for further enhancements, such as expanding a suite of productivity tools, refining my user interface for even greater accessibility, and incorporating additional AI-driven features to anticipate user needs. Thank you for your attention. As Leonardo da Vinci wisely observes, simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. This quote perfectly encapsulates my design philosophy, a commitment to elegance and functionality that drives every aspect of my integrated solution. Thank you for your time and attention.